Hey there, I'm Jake Wetzel. I'm at Kinetic Fire 2017. I'm doing a tutorial for FAI. What we'll be going over today is going from crossers to inside butterfly crossers. So, with our traditional crosser, we're going to go ahead and start up top on our north plane, up high and having our right hand over our left hand, palms out. Now, crossers normally will go through this for execution. They'll fall down to your right side and your thumbs will come together. You flip your fan and your pinkies go up, and now those are together. Now the full execution of this, like this on repeat, and you can additionally follow through in the reverse direction. Now to get to the move that we want to do, we're going to go ahead and run through this move, but as soon as we're on our left side of our plane, we're going to go ahead and break the pattern that we ran, and we're going to split it off to where all of a sudden our fans follow. Now, to run through the entire pattern of this, I'll demonstrate as such. One more time. This is Jake Wetzel at Kinetic Fire 2017. Thank you very much.